Okay, so Christina, we're going to work on tens and ones today, all right? We're going to identify how you can count tens, count by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Very good. And we're going to show how we can add tens to ones to give us a number. Look at our card right here. Okay, what do you see a picture of right here? Grapes. And we're going to see that each one of those bunches is going to be a set of 10. We're going to count them by 10. First of all, we're going to see how many tens we have. Let's kind of see how many tens we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we have 9 tens. So when you add up tens, you're going to count by 10. So let's count our tens up. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Very good. Now we're going to add these tens on to our ones right here. So we're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones on. So we have 9 tens, which is 90, you said, and we got 5 ones. Let's count together now. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And let's count our ones. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. Very good. So our total number is going to be 90 what? 95, okay? And you look on this back of this card, it's going to check for you. It's going to let you know you got that right. It's a total of 95. Very good. Now I want you to do one card by yourself right here. Now we're going to look at this card here. Let's do this one right here. Okay, let's kind of see how many tens you see. Now each one of those bags of marbles, you have how many in each bag? Can I see how many is in each bag, Christina?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. So each bag we see has 10 marbles in each bag. Okay, so we're going to count the marbles up, count the bags up, which we have 10 in each bag. So it's be 10 in this bag and 10 in what?
10
in that bag. And these are our ones over here. So count our ones up for us.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So how many ones do you have?
7.
7. Now let's count our tens up. We have what? 1 10, 2 10. So if you count by tens, what do you have? What number will that be? 10, 20. Okay, let's add our ones on to that 20. 20 what? 1, 2,
23, 24, 25, 26, 27.
Very good. So the total number we have for this card here is what? 27. Very good. All right. And that's the number it shows on the back, 27. Now we're going to look at showing our tens and ones using little rods. Okay, these are going to be your tens, okay? These are going to be considered your tens. And these are going to be considered like your ones, these little cubes. So if I were to add these rods up, how many tens do we see here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so when you count by tens, how much will you have there? 10, 20, 30, 40. And I'm going to add our ones on to that number 40. 40 what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 45. So our total number is going to be what? 45. Very good. Now we're going to add a couple more rods. We're going to take away a couple of these cubes. Now I want you to see and let me know how many cubes, how many rods you have, how many tens you have, and then how many cubes you have. Count your tens up.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60.
Good. 60. And you're going to add your ones onto that. 60 what?
62, 62.
Very good. So total number we have is 60 what? 63. Very good. Now we're going to look at doing that on a worksheet. We use our manipulatives and we add it up. We use our flashcards. We add the tens and ones doing that. Now we're going to do it on the actual paper. All right, you can put your name down on there for me. We're going to say place value and tens and ones. Very good. Now, if you look at this paper, it's similar to what we just worked on, showing our tens and our ones, showing our tens and adding our ones to it. Now, here you're going to have the problem. It says write each number in standard form. Place value block. So we're going to use the same thing we just finished doing with the cubes. Okay. Here we have what? A rod and a cube, right? So let's count that together. We have what? How many will this be right here? If this is a 10, how many will you have? Is it 1 10 there, you see? Okay, so it's going to be what? 10, and one more makes what?
20.
Not 20 now, it would be 2 10s to make 20. 10 and one more would be what? Count by ones now. What number comes after 10? 10, one more makes what? 11. Very good. Put 11 there for me. Okay, let's do right here. We're going to do another sample and let you do these right here on your own. Let's count these up right here. Okay, you have how many? You have 10, 20, 30. So we have 3 10s. So you say it's 10, 20, 30, and then 30 what? Going to them count.
32, 33, 34.
Very good. So you're going to have there what? Total of 34. Put that on your line. Very good. Okay, I want you to do this on your own right here. Count by tens.
10, 20, 21, 22.
Very good. Okay, it'll be 22. Okay, we're going to continue working on our tens and ones. Okay. All right, I want you to show me how you can do this right here. You're doing a great job. Go ahead and add the next setup.
10, 20, 24, 41, 42, 43, 44.
Very good. For a total of 40, what? 44. Very good. All right, you're doing a great job. Okay, I want you to continue doing those last 4 for me. Okay, I'm going to check them.